Once again, welcome to SK Entertainment. Today we are again discussing how to treat pigmentation. I will tell you how you can take care of your skin and which homemade ingredients you will use for 100% results. So let's start the video. Start with ingredients and steps. Firstly, we will do the scrub, for which we required 2 tablespoons of raw milk and half a teaspoon of white salt. Mix in a bowl and apply to your dark spot and pigmentation area. If there is any cut or allergy on your face, then do not use this scrub. You will use alternative scrub. Take rice flour and mix with raw milk and apply that scrub to your face. When you feel that milk absorbs into the skin, then wash your face with fresh water. Now start making the face pack. If you are making this face pack in summer, then take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, otherwise use wheat flour. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. If you feel yogurt dry your skin, then you will use 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and last 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice for sensitive and dry skin. Also add 1.5 tablespoons of rose water. The last ingredient is optional. If you have chicken pox scars, then you will use a few drops of vitamin E oil. Now mix all ingredients and make a smooth paste. Leave it for 5 minutes and start applying. Apply it to your face, hands, and body where you have dark spots and pigmentation. Apply for 20 to 25 minutes. When you feel it starts drying, rub your face with wet hands and then wash your face. Apply this paste 3 times a week. Hopefully, you will get an outstanding results.